PWM's CP180 is a small air hydraulic cold welder which is supplied in a handy carry pack. The machine and its 2-meter lead are securely fitted within the robust metal frame, which also contains the air hydraulic system and the hydraulic oil supply. The complete unit weighs just 16.2 kilograms and is fully portable, enabling the operator to move it easily to the work area. The air supply can be provided from either a central system or a dedicated compressor, but must be connected using a reinforced hose with a minimum internal diameter of 12 millimeters and no quick connectors to ensure an adequate airflow. The hose should be attached to the inlet without any fittings that impede the flow of air. A concertina-type air hose should not be used. The CP180 is extremely simple to operate. It can be handheld or mounted on a prop on the side of the frame, and enables any member of the workforce to weld non-ferrous material up to 1.8 millimeters in diameter without effort. The machine uses industry-standard dies, made and tested in-house by PWM's own experienced technicians. After the die has been placed in the die pocket, the die gap is adjusted to suit the size of the material by turning the screw on the front of the machine. The gates are opened by pressing the levers on either side of the welding head to allow the wire or strip to be inserted into the die. To operate the machine, the lever is pressed 5 or 6 times. The weld takes just a few seconds to complete and is reliable, permanent, and stronger than the parent material. To release the welded wire, the unloading lever is moved to the opposite side. Both the gates and the die will open wide, allowing the wire to be removed.